Good morning, friends. So I'm gonna make this really quick because I'm just driving down a straight road right now and there's no cars. But I have been absent because I'm actually in my hometown. If you follow me on social media, which I will leave right here on the screen, I am in my hometown of Brownsville, Texas. Jason and I came down for a couple of weeks to spend time with my family. I will probably upload the travel footage with him. It's super cute. He had so much fun on the plane. But right now I am getting some mommy time in and I am going to get my nails did. I actually have a friend that is getting her cosmetology license, so she's actually gonna do my nails for free and I'm pretty excited about it because I've been needing my nails done for a hot minute. So I'm just gonna kind of do like a day in the life today, kind of talk about what's been going on as far as my health, because there's some things that I found out when I got here. And again, if you follow me on social media, you already know what I'm talking about, but I'll mention it later on in the video. So let's go get our nails done. I'm excited. I'm gonna get something bright, maybe like a yellow. I think I would do yellow. So let's go get our nails done. I love my nails. They're so cute. I kind of had the girl pick the color for me because I originally wanted yellow, but I couldn't find one that I was in love with. So she picked this blue for me. I love it. So now I need to go pick up my kid and my mom, and we have some errands to run. And yeah, let's keep moving. We have a busy day today, and I'm so hungry. It's already like noon and I haven't eaten anything, which is not good for my iron, but that's okay. So let's keep moving. If I could get this in Minnesota, that would be freaking awesome, because the only chorizo they have is this one, and that one sort of kind of sucks. If cast iron skillets weren't so heavy. I left all of mine here. I seriously need to buy a new one. I should totally buy this one. Look at all the kitchen stuff, Jace. Someone's in a mood. These, if you are a meal prepper like myself, these are some of the best meal prep containers I've ever used. I love them so much. During Black Friday, they typically have them in a pack. It'll come with like this one, this one, this one, and this one, and they are really good. The little thingy on the inside that like insulates it comes off so you can clean it really nicely. I love these. Jace, is that good? It was good. What was that?
I didn't know.
You don't know what that is?
Chocolate.
Yeah, are you a chocolate monster?
No.
Well, you sure look like it.
No.
What does that even mean? You're goofy, and this is why you don't eat chocolate very often. It looks like a disaster, but I swear everything is going to be fine. Jace is over there screaming his head off. And we're making meatballs. We're gonna make meatballs in the Instant Pot. I finally forced my mom to buy one. Hers is the baby version of mine, so it's the same exact setup. It has all the same buttons, only this is a 6-quart and I have an 8-quart. So we're gonna make some meatballs here, some Salisbury steak meatballs with some mashed potatoes, right? With mashed potatoes and corn. Now, Texas toast. Texas toast I can't eat, but that is okay. So I'm gonna make some meatballs. for the Instant Pot to finish, I wanted to let you guys know kind of what's going on with me. And if you'd like a more in-depth video about it, I will definitely do that as I'm still gathering more information. So before I left Minnesota, or before Jason and I came down here to Texas for vacation, I actually had a little ER scare. I had to go into the ER on Wednesday, the week before last. I can't remember what the heck date it was because I was severely dehydrated and I was having a really, really hard time. So I went in, I got my fluids, and they checked some of my blood levels and things like that, but they had me follow up with my lady doctor as soon as I came down here. And I came down the second day being here, I did go to the doctor, and it turns out I have PCOS. So that is polycystic ovarian syndrome, and it has to do with my hormone levels, insulin resistance, and things like that. The problem that I have had, and I'm sorry if there are any males watching this, the main problem is that I have been bleeding for about 46 days. So that's the big thing that we've been trying to kind of figure out and kind of fix, because it has triggered some chronic anemia to happen for me. So my anemia, my hemoglobin levels are at a 7, and they should be between, I believe, a 13 and a 15. So it's pretty low. So pretty much we're gonna be checking back in with my doctor before I leave here to try to figure out what we can do to fix things. And like I said, if y'all want a more in-depth video about my journey with this new PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome hurdle that I am jumping over, I will gladly make a video. But for now, I've just been kind of taking it easy because I do get winded very easily. I get tired very easily, and it's been a little rough. It's been a little rough, but it's okay. It happens. And this is the room that we are staying in right now. I'm actually going to do a clean with me video for the guest room that we're staying in because it's a hot mess, because I have a 4-year-old and 4-year-olds tear things up. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at dinner tonight, and I will probably end this video here. Like I said, please, if you want to know a little more or follow me along with my journey, follow along with me regarding my journey with PCOS, leave it down below. I would love to hear from any of you other ladies that have the issue, because it is something that has been a real pain in the butt for me, but I'm gonna get through it. So I'm gonna show you guys how dinner turned out. And yeah, I'll probably end the video there. Thank you so much for following me along with my day. Following me along throughout the day. Girl, get it together. Thank you for the continued love and support. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media, Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.